Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to take the door panel out and change out the door fabric like I have on this door right here. It's all gray, so you know I changed it out because I didn't want it to get dirty. So first you start by taking this one out, this little panel right here. Just stick a flathead in and just pop it right out. And then should just come out. Okay, and then down here you stick a screwdriver down in here. There's a little crevice in there. Take that out and then there's a screw there. Okay, then after you take the screws out, then what you're going to want to do is grab the panel down here or try to get your finger under it, or if you have a trim tool, that'll work better. So just grab it, pull on it, tug on it, over here, over here, over here, and then you lift up on the door panel here. Okay, and behind the door panel, see here, you got a white cable for the door handle, for the lock. That's for the lock, and then the bottom one's for the handle. Green, so green's on the bottom, white's on top. Remember that. And then you got two connectors down here. What you do is you just squeeze it and pull out. Same with that one right there. And you're free. Comes right up. Now you want to be careful when you drill these out, because if you drill too far or too hard, you might go through the door panel. So just go pretty slow. You got one right there. With this white thing, I just ripped it off. I don't know what it's for, but I mean, I guess it's for noise insulation. But let's see, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 places to drill out, and there's 2 little retention clips right here, 3 right here, so it's 3 total. Should be the same as the driver's side. I'm gonna take it out. Now it's not coming up yet. Now it comes up free. That's enough. That's about how much you want to drill right there. Same right here. That's enough right there. It should be loose. Just not up yet. That one's loose. That one popped out. And that one should be popped out. That sounds good. That should come up. Take that off. Oh, there goes the warranty. Thought I had this one. There we go. All types of screws. Just kind of lift it up and slide it out to the front. I'll press down that clip. I had my flathead with me. There we go. It should come out like that. And that's how it should look like. So this is what we're using today. It's 3M high strength 90. Got this for 15 bucks about at Home Depot. I'm not sure if Lowe's has it, but it's yeah, 3M high strength 90. The trick to doing this is not to spray too much, because if you spray too much, if you have a thin fabric like this, it's gonna bleed through the fabric. So if you have a thicker fabric, you can go a little bit thicker, but just do small little oversprays and then work from there. So I'm gonna spray the actual door card first. Get it on the black plastic trim too as well. Find the orientation that you want for the fabric. Get it upside down. Yeah, I definitely cut it upside down. That's okay, I can work with this. Just lay the fabric on there. Make it dried up a little. Just do little sections at a time. Take your time, make sure there's even coverage. Because if you don't have even coverage, it's going to wrinkle. Just kind of pull, tug on it a little bit. And see where it's kind of weak. Right there needs some. And just kind of press. This mountain should look like after.